Hello everyone and welcome to another video of C Sharp. Uh, in most websites, when you want to upload an image, uh, the website capture image in different sizes because of loading time, because of scale, because of a lot of things. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna do this on console, C# console, but you can use it in other type of dotnet. Let's see an example. This is my Google account image. So default size is 96. I'll put it in 100. Nothing's changed. I'll put it on 66. It's getting smaller. 106. It's getting bigger. So usually websites use images, save images in different sizes to use in different pages. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to do that. I'm gonna do it in Visual Studio with console, but you can do it with .NET Core or anything else. So let's create a new project. I'm gonna go with console application. Create images. So it doesn't matter which .NET I'm using. So I'm gonna remove this one. In Solution Explorer, I'm gonna create two folders. One is input and one is where is that? Output. So I'm gonna use my image. So this is bigger scale. I'm gonna copy that in input. So first we need to install a package, SixLabors.ImageSharp. So I'm gonna go with that. I'll put the link on description. I'll put the package in description. So I'm gonna use the Nugget Package Manager and I'm gonna install it with console. So it's .NET add package 6 labors dot image sharp. So wait for install. Until installing, I will do the rest. So I'm going to create a string variable here. Input folder. I'm gonna use path dot combine directory dot get parent app domain dot current domain dot base directory I'm gonna go with parent dot parent dot parent dot full name, and the file and the folder name is inputs. I'm gonna use the same for output folder. And I'm gonna change this to output. Okay, so let's check the output directory exists or not. Directory dot create directory output folder. So I'm gonna make sure the output folder is exists. So I'm gonna use a string input file, input file. I'm gonna use path.combine input folder and the name of the image. So it's imam.png. Let me check my internet because I'm using slow one. Okay, and then I'm gonna check the file exists or not. If not exist, input file console dot write line input image dot found. So I'm gonna use input image input file, sorry. Okay, and we're gonna return it. Then I'm gonna use image using image as image equal to image dot load input file. So this image is gonna be no, installing is a problem. Let's install it again. Oh, sorry. I should use my proxy here. So it's installed. So let's use this one. And we need 10 different size of images. You can have more, so I'm gonna go with 10. For int I is equal to 1 until I is less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. So I'm gonna create a float, scale 1f. F is for float, minus I. I'm gonna reduce the size. Create the integer, scaled %. I'm gonna use integer again and scale to 100. And I need new width and new height, so use int new width, it's equal to int image dot width multiple scale. So I'm going to use this for I2. Image.height scale. So I'm gonna create a clone of image by using image clone is equal to image dot clone. I'm gonna create a variable c something ctx and ctx dot resize new width and new height. So it's a clone of image. So I'm gonna save it as a PNG, so it doesn't matter it's JPG or anything else. I'm gonna save it as PNG. I create a string output path, it's equal to path dot combine output folder. I'm gonna use $, resized, underline, scaled, %. I'm gonna name it as a scaled. I'm gonna use .png because I'm gonna save it as a PNG. Then I'm gonna save the clone image. Clone.save output path and I'm gonna use new PNG encoding because I'm gonna save it as a PNG. Doesn't matter if it's JPG or anything else. And at the end, I'm gonna go console.writeLine. Saved. Resized. Underline. Scaled. %.png. This is just for showing in the console. It's not something you should edit. New width. Use small x. New height. And it's done. So let's check it again. I created input. I didn't create the output, so I'm gonna create it. Let's refresh it. Okay, it doesn't matter because we checked it and we're gonna have output. Let's try again to create output folder. And it's not refreshed. I think it's because of that. So we create input folder, we set the directory, the output to, we checked if output directory, if doesn't exist, create the output folder, and we check the new file, we create a new file path, and we checked it if it's not exist, return it, and set a message that ImageSharp doesn't exist, and we load image. We want to make 10 of them. We set the scale of 0.05, and each time it's gonna be less. So we set the % here, new width, new height, and we make a clone here of resized image. We made output path here, and we saved it as PNG in output path. So let's try it. I think we're gonna have error. I wish we don't have it, but let's see what happens. So it's created. Yes. It's been created. It's the bigger one. It's getting smaller. So let's remove all of them. I'm gonna turn it this 10 to Let's turn this 5 to 8. Let's see what happens. Okay, we have 10 images. You see the scale is getting smaller, 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 and the size of the image is gonna be 25 kilobytes. So this is the trick that the website use to load better. So I'll put the library in description and you can use it. As I said, Google is using this. I think I can use 206. Yeah, it's getting bigger. It's because of loading and the performance of the website. So it's important to save all the images in different sizes, and you don't need to show like 4K image in just a profile. You just need to show some small image with low different quality and low size of image. So use this trick in your website. It's so important for loading, and this is amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And I'm waiting for your comments. Ask me anything. Ask me any project you want. Any type of project you want to have. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Waiting for your comments.